Christopher Sacco thought he caught a large fish. He was determined to reel this one in. When he finally reeled in the line, he was surprised to see it wasn't a fish at all. Instead, it was an abandoned gun. Christopher was fishing off the shore of Fort De Soto Park before noon Saturday, when he reeled in a Publix plastic bag. Inside the bag was a black revolver, with a rock secured to it by red and white twine. "You've got to be kidding me," Christopher said to his friend. Christopher's friend looked over to him. "I found a gun," he said. He looked at me like, "Are you serious?" Christopher said. I'm like, "Bro, I found a freaking gun." Christopher called the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office to report the gun. The sheriff's office confirmed deputies responded to a call at Fort De Soto at 11:46 a.m. Saturday. Officers took possession of the gun and placed it in property and evidence, a spokesperson for the sheriff's office said. Keep in mind that both Brian and Gabby worked at Publix. Brian and his family were in Fort De Soto Park between the 6th and 8th of September. Could this really be a coincidence?